What up? Big Herc 916, getting down with Muscle Up. Share the channel, subscribe, represent. Over here I talk about nothing but cars. I'm at the Highline Car Show out here in Phoenix, and my car is in the shop right now, the wide body Porsche, but I still want to get out and let you guys get a peek at what the scene is out here. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's go check out some cars. So it looks like a nice turnout out here. The month of May. It's not too hot yet in the morning, so you can still get out here and not burn up. Got a couple old schools out here in the front. Got a Charger RT right here, looking restored and more stock than anything, but you could tell it's been restored because it's very clean, original looking. You know, this car is iconic Mopar. You can't go wrong with a Charger RT. The lines, the curves of the car. I mean, dude, this car is infamous from so many movies, Bullet, but also Fast and Furious. This one even has the 8-track in it. Really cool. El Camino, if you want to mix between a car and a truck, get you an El Camino. And these are getting hot. They've always been cool in the hood, but they're picking up as far as in collector value. It's pretty clean El Camino. Got a aftermarket shifter. It looks like the interior's been updated a little bit. It's got some American racing wheels with some drum brakes. Got a Speedster over here. It's pretty clean. These are always fun looking cars, and this one looks like it's got some modern touches to it. Yep, it's got the Subaru motor in it, so you can drive it in comfort, and it's also got AC, which is a big plus. So yeah, this is a classic with a modern twist to it. Let me know what you guys think. Corvette C3. So we'll take a step back here, but the chrome front. So this is still a pre-73, but it's been modified. Those lights aren't stock. It's got the T-tops, side exhaust. One of those resto rods from the early 70s. That old school C3 interior. You don't see a lot of these. A Cuval Mangusta. I remember when these cars first came out, and I was living in LA, and I seen one off of Wilshire Boulevard at a dealership, and I was like, man, this looks pretty cool. They never really picked up as far as popularity because it's got a weird look to it, but it's a convertible, and then it has a partial top. You can make it almost a target top, and it's got a, I believe a 5.0 Ford engine in it with Italian design, and yeah, it's a modern version, kind of like when they try to do I guess I don't know, it would be equivalent to the Pantera because it has the Ford and the Italian styling combined, but it's not a Pantera by no means, and it's got just a weird shape. You either love it or you hate it. This is a green for you on this Cobra. Got the rally stripes blended in, and tan interior, a roll cage, a roll bar. and it's an automatic. Got AC up in it too, so yeah, you can, and it's got paddle shifters. Some modern amenities in this thing. Seeing a lot of Cobras out there, so it's cool to see what kind of personal twist they put to them. This one's unique, I would say. Side exhaust. We got this clean ass Pro Touring 67 Camaro with an LT4, and it looked like this has got a clean ass build. Yeah, they really did this right with the firewall and the way they got that LT4 up in there. Very nice. You take a look on the side right here. Interior's been all modernized. Got some updated seats. Looks like AC. Probably got a Tremec in it. And it looks like some possible TMI interior. Clean build. Badass. Actually, it's a 68. My bad. Now this is a different build right here. We'll start with the motor and see if we can figure out what the hell's going on with this. So it's looks to be a diesel, obviously, with a turbo. But when you take a step back, look at this. I'm thinking, I don't know what model car this is. I want to say Ford LTD. Yeah, it's a diesel. Different. I've never seen anything like this before. Got the diesel. You see the dual batteries back here. Fuel setup with the patina that's been glossed over. And it's a 4-door. Wow. I wonder what this thing sounds like pulling up. It's probably got crazy torque. This is definitely something different and unique, you guys. Let me know what you think. Porsche's in the house. I believe these are dealer cars. Actually, that one might belong to somebody. Clean spec right here. That almost looks like a Nardo gray 911 GT3. Clean. One of the best performing cars on the market. And you got another GT3 right here. Does everything on a track that you need it to do, then you could turn around and drive it on the street. This is a badass Mustang. 69. Yep, 69. Clean. I love the lines on this car. That fastback look. Kind of partial to Mustangs too, because I grew up around Fords. Clean. Interior's original looking, but look like they added a cup holder for the center, but just clean, man. Got a Performante in the house, and then we have a McLaren. I'm not sure of the model. 570S. Oh yeah. Green on green. Which one would you take, the McLaren 570 or the Performante? If you're a Lambo guy, I guess you go Lambo. If you're a McLaren guy, I guess you would go McLaren. lot of carbon fiber on this spec. Got quite a few GTRs out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, GTRs are definitely representing out here, and this one's got a crazy wrap on it. Let me know what you guys think about this wrap. Yay or nay? Another GT3 RS. A lot of Porsches, man. McLaren with a wrap on it. Just strolling down here to see what kind of cars they got over off to the side. We got a stance right here, Japanese VIP status. BMW in the house. These new BMWs are monsters. M5, man, this is a 4-door supercar right here. Monster. Quad exhaust. But it says what does it say? M3? My bag, I thought it was an M5. I have these glasses on, I couldn't see. BMW V8 classic right here, made famous from James Bond. Beautiful lines, just a really clean looking car. I think it's roughly 400 horsepower. Not crazy horsepower, but it's enough to get you out the way. This is another one of my favorite classics as far as German styling. Ferrari Dino. Who would have known that this would turn out to be one of the most collectible Ferraris ever made, and is steadily growing up in value. These cars are, man, year by year increasing. Great investments, but they're not cheap. Looks like they got quite a few Vipers out here too. Must be a Viper club. They stopped making these, so you can best believe they're going to be collectibles. If you can get a ACS, that thing will be worth $500,000 in a little while. Great investments. This is another Mercedes. If you're looking for an alternative to the Porsche and you want to stay German, the AMG GTR is a great performing car, and it's a monster on the track as well as on the street. These are one of my other favorites when it comes to Mercedes and German engineering and performance. And then if you can get the black edition, man, you're killing the game. Killing it. It's a nice turnout of cars out here. This is always a good car show. First Saturday of the month. Combination of exotics with a handful of classics. Let me know what your favorite car is. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. There you have it, the Highline Car Show out here in Phoenix. A lot of cool cars. A nice mixture, like I said, of exotics and classics. Not too hot today, but yeah, man, look forward to bringing my car here the first Saturday in June. I should be good to go with the Porsche. So leave a comment, subscribe, share the channel. Let me know what you would like to see more of, and I hope to catch you at a car show out here in Arizona. Big Herc 916, muscle up. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap And this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub. But I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to BigHerc916.com, you can pick you up a bar. And my goal is to help America combat funk. Go to the Herc store at BigHerc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap so you can wash that ass, or pick you up some Never Settle for Average merch or some of the Muscleup Car Lifestyle merch. We have hats, Never Settle for Average, got the Muscleup t-shirts. We also have the Never Settle for Average tank tops. Got the Muscleup Car Lifestyle hoodies. Got the beanie caps. Hey man, represent. And I know you guys aren't average, so pick you up some swag and step your game up. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.